In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to wrap long text in Monday.com so you can easily read everything in your columns without any hassle. Monday.com is a fantastic project management tool, but sometimes text can overflow in a cell, making it difficult to view all your information at a glance. Don't worry, we're going to take you through, step by step, how you can wrap text in your tables to keep your workspace organized and easy to read. First off, you want to navigate to your Monday.com homepage. If you're already logged into your account, great. If not, go ahead and sign in. Once you're at the homepage, you will typically see a dashboard of your workspaces and any boards you've set up. Each workspace acts like a separate project or department, and within each workspace you'll find different boards that hold vital information related to the project. Next, you'll need to select the specific workspace you want to work on. Just click on the name of the workspace, and it will take you right to the list of boards associated with that workspace. Selecting the right workspace ensures that any changes you make will apply to the correct projects and teams, maintaining your project's organizational flow. Once inside your chosen workspace, type in the text you want in the designated column of your board. Be mindful of the length if you haven't wrapped the text yet, as it could overlap into the next column, making it cluttered. In my experience, text that spills over can make a board look disorganized, so this step is crucial for keeping things tidy. After inputting your text, direct your attention to the upper right-hand corner of your selected column, where you'll see a three-dot icon. This icon usually opens up more options for that column. Clicking on this icon is often where you'll find additional settings for the appearance and management of your columns, so it's a handy tool to get familiar with. Now, a menu will appear after you click the three-dot icon. Look for an option that says Wrap Text and click on it. Once you select this, the text within your column will automatically adjust to wrap within the cell, allowing you to see everything without manually adjusting the column width. This will immediately make your board much more readable and visually appealing. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can ensure that all the text in your Monday.com workspace is neatly organized and completely visible. It's a simple yet effective way to enhance your workflow and improve overall productivity by making sure all your vital information is clearly accessible. Thanks so much for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips and tricks.